Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm telling you how to return Trendyol products. Whether it's a fit issue or just not your vibe, I've got you covered. So first, make sure your item can be returned. Log into your Trendyol account on the app or on the website. Go to My Orders and find your purchase. You've got 15 days from delivery to start a return. It's got to be unused. It's in original packing with tags on. Some stuff like cosmetics or custom items might not qualify, so peek at the return policy under the product's listing. Step number 2. Kick off the process. In My Orders, tap your items, then hit Return Product. Pick your reason like didn't like it or defective and submit. Trendyol will generate a return code or shipping label depending on your region. If you're international, check your email for instructions. You might need to arrange shipping yourself. So guys, after that you need to pack it up. Put the item back in its original box, include all accessories, and add the return code if asked. Drop it off with the carrier Trendyol specifies. In Turkey, it's often free via their partners like Yurtici Cargo. Outside Turkey, use a tracked service and keep the receipt. Shipping costs might be on you. Step 4. Wrap it up. Track your return in the app under My Returns. Once Trendyol gets it, they will inspect it within a few days. Refunds hit your original payments method in 5 to 10 business days, or you might get store credit if that's the deal. Issues? Hit up their support. And that's how you return, guys. Return something? Tell me how it went below. Like and subscribe for more shopping hacks. See you next time, guys.